Hi, this is Arushi and today I am going to answer some mental health related questions. So the first question is that what advice we should keep in mind whenever we have any suicidal thoughts. So first of all, that what we have to do is don't hesitate in seeking help. Then what we have to keep in mind is that whatever you are going through is not permanent, one thing, and second, you are stronger than the things you are suffering right now. So what you need to do is hold on to the things. Everything will pass and your good days and your good things are waiting for you. So just hold on. So the next question is that how we stay strong and unattached from the social media negativity which is growing day by day. So first of all, what is in our hand, that is reduce your screen time. Focus on your goals rather than giving so much time to the social media. It affects you physically and mentally. And one more thing is that people who are giving you hatred on your content don't know how much courage, how much potential it takes to be on social media and create something and give something useful to the people. They just don't know anything and they just have this thing that they can just type the comment behind the screen. So just don't get affected by it, because you are way more stronger, way more talented than the people who are creating hatred on your things. Okay, so the next question is that what students should do on their own to cope up with anxiety when they are away from home and alone. So this is something I myself suffering from. So what I personally do is that I give myself time, space, take deep breaths, and what I have to keep in mind all the time is that be grateful for what you have, not what you don't have, and stop comparing yourself from others, and don't be the part of that rat race. You are the competition of your own. You have to do better from what you did yesterday, not better than others. Okay, so the next question is that why women are more likely to get depression, or what we can do for the women in our surroundings to make them happy. So what I personally believe is that we just don't have to fight for our things, but also we have to fight for the stigmas. Like we have this tension to study well, excelling in our careers, also to fight with the stigmas like क्या करोगे इतना पढ़ के, शादी ही तो होनी है, you have to do marriage and you have to just why are you doing job, just go have kids. So we have to fight that also. Then second thing is we have this fear all the time, that is we have to fight against the social evils like rape. So every girl has this fear that she is unsafe no matter wherever she is. So the next thing is that what we can do to make our women happy. So just don't question them. If you can have job, excel in it, have kids, we can do it too. So don't question us. Don't question that what type of things we are wearing, what clothes we are wearing. Just mind your own actions. So the next question is how one should handle a mentally ill person before any mental health arises. So what we have to keep in mind is create a safe and non-judgmental space for them. Be a patientful listener and just don't let them feel that they are having something weird. Just let them feel that they are loved, they are worthy, and it's normal. It's normal to be not okay sometimes. Okay, so that's it. Take care of yourself and take care of your own mental health and your loved ones' mental health.